And we've got a float plane that is 300 meters above the ground. So we label that. Someone is 430 meters away from the plane. So when we're drawing this out, it's going to make a triangle. Here's your plane. It's got to have these floater things so that it can land on water. Nice. I like it. There's the plane, 300 meters above the ground. That would be straight up, making it 90 degrees there. Here's our observer. We'll call him Bob for observer. He's the Bob observer. And he's looking up at the plane. Now, where are we going to label the 430? Because there's two sides left on the hypotenuse. Because that says that's the distance from the observer. Here's the observer. There's the plane. The 430 will go right there. Determine the angle of elevation. This is a definition we've had before. Again, remember, we have to know what our definitions mean. Angle of elevation is always from a horizontal line looking up. So we are looking for this angle right there. I'm going to use the letter theta to represent that angle. And we need to find it to the nearest degree. So it's a trig question, so I'm going to write SOHCAHTOA out here. I'm going to look at my triangle, and I'm going to say, there's my angle. The 430, I know that's my hypotenuse. What's the 300 going to be? Opposite side. So which one am I going to use? Sine, cos, or tan? Sine. Sine of theta, opposite 300 over hypotenuse 430. And if I want to solve for theta, I'm going to need to get rid of that sign. The opposite of sine is sine inverse. Go to your calculator, and to the nearest degree, what do we get? Approximately. Anybody have the? So 44 to the nearest degree? Excellent. And so sine and cos are just like tangent, but now we have to think which one would fit best when we do a question.